I'm Madison Stein, and here with us today is the legendary superhero Special K. We're here with her today because we want to get to know the person inside the banana. Tell us, Special K, about your childhood.
Well, I was born in England in 1807. My dad, Sir Humphrey David, raised me as a single father. It was a very hard life, you know. We always knew I was a bit different, starting off with the fact that I'm a banana. This is no costume. And to add on to that, I even have superpowers.
We all know about these amazing superpowers, but please tell the viewers at home about how you got your superpowers.
This is kind of a sad story. My mom had a serious banana addiction. When she was pregnant, it got a lot worse. Bananas contain high amounts of potassium. My mom had so much potassium in her system that it turned out to be a banana. My mom died after giving birth to me because she had potassium poisoning. So because I had so much potassium in me, I got these superpowers. Along with potassium superpowers, I also have the same density and mass as potassium. The mass is 39.0983 and the density is 0.856 grams centimeters cubed.
Wow, that is a truly heartbreaking story. So what powers do you have?
I have the power to control anything potassium, but mostly bananas. I can also multiply anything containing potassium. The less potassium it has, the harder it is to control. This also includes dirt, because potassium makes up about 2.4% of the Earth's crust.
Well, that sounds really cool. So you have all these strengths, but tell us, Special K, about your weaknesses.
I usually don't tell people this, but I trust that you'll keep it away from my enemies. I do have a few weaknesses though. If someone were to peel me, I would tarnish in the air and then eventually burn because I have so much potassium in me. If someone were to peel me and throw water on me, then I would react very quickly and burst into a flame. Also, if it were 336.5 Kelvin, I would instantly melt.
Well, let's hope that never happens. So let's talk about your life outside of being a superhero. You and Lithium had a thing going on for a while, isn't this correct?
Yeah, but not anymore. He cheated on me with Sodium. I thought she was my friend. But now I'm dating Rubidium. He's so much cuter anyway. And I don't need Sodium either. I have Cesium and Francium as my new best friends. They would never hook up with my boyfriend.
We've noticed that you have a tattoo of the number 19 on your wrist. What does this tattoo mean?
The number 19 is the atomic number of potassium. It is also my lucky number.
Oh, interesting. So to the rest of the world, your name is Special K. Is that your real name or an alias?
No, actually. My real name is Potash. Potash is the word potassium originated from.
Well, that's an interesting name. Well, where did the superhero name come from?
My superhero name is Special K because my daddy always said that I was special. And K is the symbol for potassium. The K actually comes from the Latin word kalium.
Oh, that makes sense. So we know you're yellow on the exterior, but what do you look like on the interior?
Well, I'm shiny at first, but after my banana skin hits the air for a while, I become dull. And I'm also silvery white.
So at room temperature, you're a solid, right?
That is correct.
Well, that's all the time we have today. Thank you for being here today between your busy schedule of saving the world, Special K, or should I say Potash.
It was my pleasure.